Not every lake home is about being seen. Some are about finally getting away. And if privacy is at the top of your wish list, this one deserves your attention. The setting here is truly hard to replicate, offering nearly an acre of land, over 100 feet of lakefront, and a nature-filled setting with the lake just steps from your front door. Inside, you'll find an updated 2-bed, 1-bath home that's move-in ready and designed for easy lake living. Whether you need storage for your lake toys, a workshop, or space for hobbies, these 2 buildings offer endless possibilities. Opportunities like this don't come around very often. Let's make sure you take a look before somebody else does.